Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Nails Art. Are you ready for more nail art awesomeness? Now please subscribe my channel quickly for get latest videos. Let's jump right in. First of all, you make sure that your nails should be cleaned thoroughly. Now apply a base coat to protect your nails. This is super important for long lasting nail art. Now pick two stunning nail colors that speaks to you. You can choose any color as you love. Now start by painting your nails with the one beautiful color polish. Make sure to cover each nail evenly. Once it's dry, grab a thin brush and dip it into the other color polish. Now let your creativity shine. You can try a chic marble designs, cute little hearts, or even trendy abstract pattern. The sky is the limit. Just remember to have fun and enjoy the process. Once you are happy with the design, let it dry completely. Then seal it with a top coat for extra shine and protection. And voila, you have just nailed a stunning nail art look in just few minutes. I hope you find this helpful method to create a professional nail art. In this video you can see different nail arts on nails. You can see different colors like brown, orange, black, blue, pink and every color that you like. You can see here red color with the combination of white looking so precious. Now you are seeing a mute color on nails, white and grey combination looking so pretty and beautiful. White and black colors always look so beautiful. Shimmer adds more beauty in nail arts. Shimmer, glitter and transparent sheets always look so beautiful. Here is a mute shade looking so perfect and well. Now you are looking rainbow colors on nails looking very beautiful and pretty. It's another mute shade looking on your screen very pretty and beautiful. Maroon is another a beautiful color and always looks so beautiful and gorgeous. It's also a mute color looking so perfect and beautiful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more nail art inspirations. Thank you so much for this watching. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.